Hi everybody out there in YouTube land. Okay, we got 5 Kwiksets to rekey. One of them still has the Protecto key badge on it, so we got to make sure we clear all top pins. And luckily we got a working key. I don't have to shim or pick any of these. Or they said they did. Oh, just a really bad key. Yeah, still Protecto keyed from factory. And we're going to use a random pre-cut. Looks like 11633. Let's see how far off I am. 11's kind of obvious. See if it's a 6 or a 5. It's a 5. Let's try a 4. No. So it ends up being 11522. Not that me disclosing the biddings or any of any interest, because you guys are thousands of miles from where we are now. Okay, on to the second one. Inspecting as I clear top pins, that none of the top pins fall out, and of course gotta remove the Protecto balls. Not that they'll hinder anything, but we don't need random stuff floating around in this lock that isn't actually going to be used for anything. Plus I tend to save the Protecto balls and use them later when I have to Protecto key stuff. Second one went exponentially faster than the first. On to the deadbolts. Wow. Bad key. Let's see what it says on the key. The bad key says lows. Surprised. I did remove these with the good old-fashioned half disassembly and Kwikset tool, rather than some of these guys that destroy the locks using A+ puller, or an A1 puller. Sorry, my bad. How dare I talk bad about the wrong product, which ends up bending the back ears, and then sooner than later you gotta sell them an entirely new lock. Okay, also gonna remove the master / Protecto keyed and add it to my collection of Protecto keyed stickers. So you can tell by the age of these and the screw patterns that only one of them is original to the house. I guess they'd all be original to the house if they're all Protecto keyed. But the front door has the plate in the middle that takes the 2 flathead screws. All the other ones are standard 560s and 400Ps, polos. Getting somewhat low on pin stock, but I have backups for every commonly used chamber in my pinning kit. By the way, this is My pinning kit, I prefer to use a Lab 3000s kit. And I use an old one that's probably older than me, because I do not like all the color changed charts. I'd much prefer the black and bold, because when you're doing work at 2 o'clock in the morning in the middle of the night and you got dragged out of your bed for doing a lockout or rekey in the middle of the night, it's much easier to see all the black and bolds than try to squint and read the see, that's how old the lock is. It's the old inner chamber, outer chamber. If you disassemble it without the outer chamber, then the head spacing is off. But yeah, I hate using the newer style lab kits. In the middle of the night, you can't read the gold and silver writing. So with all those rekeyed, now I just got to cut their copies and reassemble everything. All of which is too loud, and I'm just going to edit it to stop about